Hey, what's up guys? My name is Azza and I'm a product manager here at AnyMind Group. And today I'm about to take you guys on a tour of the new AnyMind Group office right here in Bangkok. It's in the middle of Sukhumvit, so it's a really vibrant neighborhood. And right now we're just walking into the information counter of the office, and we have our lovely corporate staff here to greet you every day, just like this.
And this is the town hall area where it's the main meeting point for everyone in the office.
So this first room that I want to show you guys is actually our small little production studio. Thailand is also where our production team is based, and this studio is really critical for like shooting our influencers or our YouTube creators, and they can do it right here. And right now we're in the CEO's room, which also doubles up as a meeting space. Here at AnyMind Group, we operate in over 11 markets, and so that's why meetings between different teams across different countries is really important. And so that was the CEO's room, and next door is also the C room, and a meeting is taking place right there as well.
All of our meeting rooms are equipped with Chrome boxes, so it makes it easy for us to connect with our colleagues in the different countries.
And right now as you walk down through the office, we can see the different teams.
So here we have the corporate operations and finance teams.
Back on the subject of meetings as well, like we have all these like little meeting pods and like phone booths. So video communication is really critical to work effectively in teams, and so that's why we have all these meeting spaces. Again, walking down here, we've got the communications team set up here, culture and development team, and then we have the sales team as well. At the end here, we have our ad operations team. Continuing on the tour of our office, the first stop that we're going to check out is our lovely pantry. And you can see we don't only have one refrigerator, we have two. So there's plenty of room here to keep all of your food, like anything you want to bring from home, lots of space. And of course, the main attraction of the pantry is our coffee machine. And we're right here in Bangkok in Thailand, and the specialty is of course Thai milk tea. Cheers. So we're going to continue our tour of the office, and the first team that you see here is actually our production team. And so these are the guys who are filming this office tour video as well, so big props to you guys. And we're coming across the Talent Mind team here, and so that's actually our solution in HR tech. And the last section of the office is actually the team that I work in, which is the tech team. Oh, by the way, I actually have a call to take, so I'm going to take it right here in the phone booth. And right now we're in the recreational area of the office, so you can see there are all these swings and beanbag chairs. It's a great place to hang out if you don't want to be stuck in the office, like sitting on a desk the whole day. And the main attraction of this area is actually our vending machine, where all the drinks are free of charge. So I'm pretty thirsty, I'm going to get a drink right now. And that brings us to the end of this tour today. So this is AnyMind Group, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.